ये क्रीम कलर का
हमारे इस पार्क का बता रहे थे हमें।
ये बांग्लादेश के एम्बेसडर हैं सर। बहुत अच्छी उर्दू बोलते हैं सर, बड़ी वेरी फ्लुएंट उर्दू, वेरी फ्लुएंट उर्दू। सर एक ग्रुप हो जाए सर, एक ग्रुप हो
We'll start today's ceremony by the recitation of Holy Quran. I shall invite Mr. Shariz.
ثم رددناه أسفل سافلين إلا الذين آمنوا الله بأحكم الحاكمين صدق الله العظيم.
Khan Savati Sahab, Federal Minister for Narcotics Control, Dean of Diplomatic Corps, Excellencies, Fund for safeguarding the trade and economic affairs of the country. But this Valiant Chamber have done, who have redone this beautiful park for the citizen of the area. Ladies and Lloyd says, the best friend on earth of man is the tree. When we use this tree today, we shall soon live in a world that will not sustain us and our children tomorrow.
Diplomats, honorable parliamentarians, my group leader Mr. Suhail for this noble cause. RCCI, another awareness campaign with the slogan of water resources is planned, and we are actively visiting different institutes for educating the masses regarding the conservation of drinking water. We have planned different areas where the sapling have been distributed and planted. We have planted sapling different embassies of Tajikistan, Embassy of Azerbaijan, Embassy of Kuwait, and Embassy of Indonesia. Besides these embassies, we have also sapling the tree activity in Askari 14, in Liaquat Bagh, Rawat Nursery, Chattar Farmhouse, Mari Brewery, Islamabad Golf Club, Green Hills, Kohinoor Textile Mills, POF WA, Islamabad G8 Sector, Beacon House School, Root School campuses, PIMS Hospital, and Arid Agriculture University. For this purpose, Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce and Industry has developed a nursery at RCCI Rawat Industrial Estate for the growth and nurturing of more than 10,000 plants. We are also proud to introduce that RCCI is the first ISO 14001 certified chamber. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I am grateful for your time sparing for this noble cause and looking forward. Thank you very much.
First of all, I would like to express my deep appreciation and thank you all for accepting our joint with Mr. Nazir Mirza, President of Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce, invitation and gracing this occasion. Today, we are participating in a tree planting event under the ambit of the Clean Green Pakistan movement launched by His Excellency Mr. Imran Khan, Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Dear friends, as the Dean of Diplomatic Corps, I would like to underline that the diplomatic community fully supports this initiative of Prime Minister Imran Khan. As you know, already here, some of my colleagues already planted trees here, and they arranged tree planting events in the embassies and other places in Pakistan, and I'm sure they will follow this activity. The environmental protection and environmental safety has become an urgent and global issue for all humankind. Today, global warming is one of the humankind's major problems, creating all kinds of anomalies and disasters. Planting and protecting forests is considered one of the primary strategies for the climate change mitigation. In my country, Turkmenistan, tree planting has become a priority area of environmental policy. Green spaces help combat the negative effect of the greenhouse gases. As we know, trees during the process of photosynthesis convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. The tree gives oxygen and purifies the air. Further, gardens cool the urban climate and save energy. Just I want to bring one small sample that three mature trees properly planted around the house reduce some air conditioning requirements by 50%. Yes, it is very good idea, and it reduces energy demand for cooling. Green plantations also protect against harmful UV rays. You know all this, but once again, I am reminding you about it to stress that tree plantation is important not only for Pakistan, but the whole humankind. At the end of my speech, taking advantage of this opportunity, I would like to, on behalf of Diplomatic Corps, I would like to express warm words of gratitude to the organizers of this event, to the leadership of Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce, and to Mr. Farhad Barlas, today's project chairman, and his team. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention.
Mr. Azam Khan Sawati, Federal Minister, who is very well known to Rawalpindi Chamber. He is always very kind to us. The co-host, Mr. Atajan, the Dean of Ambassador, thank you very much for co-hosting this event. Mr. Nasir Mirza, Mr. Usman Shaukat, Chief Executive of BioLab, our executive member, thank you very much for putting up such a beautiful show. I think this shows the corporate social responsibility which is valued by Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Mr. Nasir Mirza, President Rawalpindi Chamber, Mr. Usman Ashraf, Senior Vice President, Mr. Shahrez Malik, Vice President, Honorable former Presidents, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Khurshid Barlas, thank you very much. ये रौनक आपने लगाई है. And friends from media, beautiful afternoon in beautiful month of Rabiul Awwal. I think you cannot ask for anything better than this, provided us with an opportunity to interact. I am really grateful to the diplomats, High Commissioner, and ambassadors for gracing this occasion. Your presence has made a lot of difference, sir. Rawalpindi Chamber is not involved in only business related activities. We feel anything in the interest of the people of Pakistan, in the interest of people of Rawalpindi and Islamabad, that is our domain, and we try to do that. We have been very fortunate about COVID. Pakistan stands as one of the luckiest countries. But now I think we have to take more precautions. But as Mr. Asad Umar was saying, that in open, probably you can afford to take off your mask. So we are taking that liberty. And as things are now, we feel that economy of Pakistan would also improve. Inshallah, things would improve. Government is now the policies that Sawati Saab, this government has taken. The business community is very optimistic that in times to come, the economy would improve, the business would improve by curbing imports. And now you are tempting people to put up their own industry. And now with the diplomats present here, I think we look forward to welcome delegations from your beautiful countries so as to interact and find new ways of making some new joint ventures. मैं एक बार फिर उस्मान शौकत साहब आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ, but you need to have one in Rawalpindi also. अब है ऐसा? So next time we would invite these honorable guests to another occasion at Rawalpindi where we'll have another park of the same standard being done by BioLab. I wish you all success in your personal business also, and thank you very much. Okay, Allah.
إياك نستعين. Excellency, especially the Excellency, which is the co-host, Excellency Atajan, Suhail Altaf Saab, Nasir Mirza Saab, Shaukat Saab, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so grateful. Let me first of all extend my gratitude to Mr. Ballas, who is the mover and shaker basically in Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce. Wherever I will be needed, Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce, I can guarantee that I will be there at their will, at their wish. So I can become their voice, because just like Suhail Altaf Saab said, it is not the business, but it is the humanity. The underpinning is as to how good you can serve your community. And while seeing and witnessing our great ambassador from Qatar, whose 2 children are present here, they are so beautiful. These are the children, that is the treasure for each one of us. So we should cherish them, lead them the life that they want, and especially for Pakistan, which is or have a daunting challenge, environmental catastrophe that we are facing. The water tower of Himalayas are melting, and you can see the changes almost everywhere on the greater part of Pakistan as to what the seasons were when we are growing those mountains, especially in district Mansehra, and how we are drastically affected. I think it is moving experience for me, especially when I sit down with Imran Khan, and if I want to make my point, then first of all I will tell him about the forest or the environment, and all of a sudden I get his attention. How much love that he has for the coming generation and protecting the environment of Pakistan, I cannot share. Don't have the words to complete as to how much he cares about the environment and about the coming generation, and we are the custodian. I can go on and on emphasizing as to how important role you are playing, especially the business community. and the patron-in-chief is Mr. Osman, a young man, which I have promised him that I will send maple tree. I don't see over here. I love maple tree. They are very close to my heart and my house. Basically, I have brought every tree, you name it, even from Sri Lanka, from Canada, from United States, from so many other countries, because I love to see them grow. They are just like my children. They are a part of my life. So I am going to send you 10 maple tree. My people are going to come with your permission. You are going to give them the site where they can plant. And when they grow up, at least if I'm not here, my children and grandchildren are going to come and visit. May Almighty Allah bless you all, especially the diplomat community that I am seeing over here. You are very close to our heart, because with your strength, with your leadership, Pakistan is going to be a great country in this region. It is going to be the leading country in this region, especially protecting the environment. Pakistan, Payandabad.
Mr. Atajan, Dean of Diplomatic Corps and Ambassador of Turkmenistan to Pakistan, Honorable Group Leader, Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Suhail Altaf, Honorable President, Mr. Muhammad Nasir Mirza, President, Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce and Industries, my Vice President, Mr. Shahed Ashraf Malik, Excellencies from various embassies, representatives from various embassies, my former presidents, my executive committee members, members from the media squad, and especially my brother, the owner of this beautiful garden, Mr. Usman Shaukat, the director of Biolabs. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and Assalamu Alaikum. It is indeed an honor and a pleasure to host this auspicious occasion. Undoubtedly, under the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Imran Khan, who is very heavily engaged in this plantation drive. As rightly briefed by the President and Group Leader, Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce and Industries is not only engaged in the business activities, but heavily engaged in the CSR activities as well. So over the tenure, over the years, we have done many CSR activities, and this is one of the CSR activities we are going. Thank you so much for coming over. And trees are life, and if there is life, there is happening, and we all will be together. So we hope to continue with such kind of events in the near future as well, and we'll keep on inviting you for these auspicious events. Thank you so much. I'll not take much time. We'll have a group photo in front of this backdrop after my speech, and then we'll proceed for the plantation drive.
आप बैठ जाओ, आप बैठ जाओ, आप बैठ जाओ, सर कैमरे की तरफ एक्सलेंस ये ले लें बैक सेल्फ ऑन वाटर हम लोग